Sithonia, a beautiful peninsula in Greece, part of the Halkidiki region, is famous for its stunning beaches and crystal-clear waters. The southern part of the peninsula offers more and more beautiful beaches, among which the following stand out. Paradise Beach is a really popular place among vacationers, famous for its fine sandy beach and crystal-clear turquoise water. The beach is shaded by trees, which is ideal for relaxing and sunbathing. Numerous water sports and entertainment options await visitors, as well as beach bars where you can enjoy refreshing drinks. Blue Lagoon. One of the best ways to explore the Blue Lagoon is to rent a boat that you can drive yourself. Many local services offer motorboats, kayaks, and even sailboats that you can easily hire. Traveling by boat gives you the opportunity to explore the surrounding coves, hidden beaches, and hidden inlets that can only be reached by water. Driving the boat is easy and fun, so you can enjoy the sea breeze while enjoying the unique scenery. In addition, you can explore the beauty of the lagoon at your own pace and stop wherever you want. Don't forget to bring an umbrella and plenty of water to spend the day comfortably in this magical place. Kavourotrypes Beach is a hidden gem in the Sithonia region. The beach is characterized by crystal-clear turquoise water and white sand, surrounded by rocky shores and pine trees that provide shade on hot summer days. Smaller bays and rocky formations alternate on the coast, thus providing a special, picturesque atmosphere. In terms of diving, Kavourotrypes Beach is an ideal place for both beginners and more experienced divers. The shallow, transparent water hides an abundance of colorful fish and marine life, and the rocks provide an excellent opportunity to explore the underwater world. Exploring the various rock recesses and caves offers an exciting experience for snorkeling enthusiasts, while they can observe the underwater life up close. Karidi Beach. Located in the small bay of Karidi Beach, It is one of the most beautiful beaches on the Sithonia Peninsula. There are both sandy and pebble parts of the beach, so everyone can find a resting place that suits their preference. The water is shallow, which is great for families, and the rocks around the beach are perfect for exploring and diving. Tigaia Beach is a quieter but beautiful beach, wedged between rocky landscape and green trees. White sand and clear water make this place really attractive for those who want to relax. It offers excellent opportunities for bathing and sunbathing, away from crowded places, so it is ideal for visitors who want peace. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos.